Up to 75% of all people fear going to the dentist. Dental phobia leads to avoidance of preventive dental care, leading to serious dental emergencies, such as toothache or abscessed tooth. Oral health is vital to your overall health and wellness. If you avoid going to the dentist out of fear, you'll create even more serious problems for yourself later. In a process called sedation dentistry, we provide an experience where you're conscious but not anxious throughout your dental procedures. Your days of avoiding necessary dental care are over. Unlike general anesthesia, you have both full verbal and response capabilities available throughout your treatment. You will be calm and relaxed during the procedure, with little memory of it afterward. Call today to schedule a consultation to address your dental concerns using sedation dentistry.